It's good asset production here. Zach Squirrel. Giving you another fucking video. It is Android Studio here. Just debugging the configurations in the file path system. This is the project Data Conduit. Let me introduce you to the Data Conduit project here. Google LLC Asset Productions Network. The Data Conduit is our project here on the Asset Productions Network. This is the Prodigy League. The Prodigy League is a affiliate of Demon Bilade. Google. We're professional reviewers. Zach Skroth is the tech here. Cinnamon Brass 76YH Squarespace, formerly known as Google Domains. Once the Squarespace took over the Google Domains at AssetProductions.net, we became known as Cinnamon Brass, where we are still copyrighted, registered as Zach Skroth. So what's good in the hood, guys? The purpose of this is a creative engine and a technical backbone of society. The Prodigy League is dedicated to creative ecosystems in the job markets and various projects. We're creating the scope of the visual appeals here at the Prodigy League Studios, where we design graphics, animations, and in-game assets. We enhance player experience with MLG, memes, and projects. The importance of this is it drives competitive pricing and excellence, empowering esports and sweaty gamers, and give them the tools they need. We support them and help them achieve high performance with data analytics, computational stratagems, and full-scale developmental cutting-edge debugging solutions. All this means is within our visions, in and of itself objective, boundary pushing, the innovation, which explores implemental innovative techniques, superb technologies, and data conduit, rooting AI fields and LLM infrastructures. So we here do support acronyms as well. Machine learning is streamlined, live streamed, gaming developmental studios, pipelined with impressive creative coding workflows. This provides the immersive and unforgettable gaming experience that many players have today with their long-term objectives, which is why they need asset productions and the Prodigy League elevation techniques through a fusion of artistic expression with Zach Skroth. Asset Productions handles the technical expertise. Zach Skroth is on a relentless pursuit of victory. The Prodigy League writes code to engineering gaming studios, empowers ethical marketing techniques and tactics with sales knowledge, designing top-of-the-line visual graphics and pictorial databases, aligns with the Asset Productions, defining strong potentials, sharing freelance open-sourced marketing generative, massive influx of sales. Have you ever seen the stunning graphics on your computer device? Have you ever seen the compelling animations and animators with polished esports performances, computational knowledge? This all contributes to the strong branding image of the Prodigy League, which has created uniquely identity, verification amongst competitors. The chaining blockchain engages both players, viewers, and customers. The stratagem focuses on high-quality assets, building communities, fostering engaging consumers. The Prodigy League's community, in particular, is as strong and vibrant as a powerful marketing channel. We spread awareness through the unethical marketing schemes provided by the marketing competitors right now. We attract new players with visual assets and provide ethical competitions. The focus of this is a brand recognizer and increased credibility. The top MLG roster placements and statistic means a high level of generated excitement and attraction, which leads to new players and potential sponsors. This means a high quality content. All in all, highlight reels, behind the scenes, social media, etc. Collaborating with communities, data driven, data analytics, debugging and providing valuable insight into player bases. Optimizes the marketing campaigns and improves conversion rates. The Prodigy League in particular has three stakeholders: Demon Bilade, Zaxxroth, 3D modeling, and Mistplay. Generative leads is an innovative technology we're seeing now, which is a tool leveraged by producers, allowing them cutting-edge hardware, software, and generative AI, which means the customer is now converted through a SMART, a player behavior engine, which monitors preferences, the key factor in which increases the player acquisition by 5%. Each 5 years, 5%. Sales materials, sales training, technical support. KPIs measures the markets, guys. So again, this is Data Conduit, and we have a timeline since 2016 and even have roots in the 2012 era of the fucking new age internet. Quarter ones, quarter twos, quarter threes, in which case has yielded 15,000, 10,000, 5,000. This is the Zaxxroth initiative. Each key is marketed with a resource allocator, the marketing of which our marketing teams analyze and perform the KPIs, the tracking indicators, and this helps the support teams. Each budgeting of which invested at least $100 for ads in the database infrastructures over there in fucking Microsoft. Okay? $200 is when we target the market trends with our social media influence. So that's the key budgeted technologies of the Alphabet, Investor Relations, Meta, and their fucking social media meme pages. Each marketing campaign. Again, going back to KPI. So this includes the Salesforce, which they implement the microtransactions, merchandise, and subscriptions, which also means they have a key role in options trading. I'll go ahead and pin that here. Again, the $275 is what usually is the cash money for the in-studio tools, design assets, utilizing the reflective marketing and analysis KPIs. A lot of them use Django and Squarespace. A lot of them use those point-of-sale POS systems. And the product, really, there is no good product, but again, once they release products through either 3D design printing or silicon or cheap Chinese imported plastic, the quality controllers are thrown out the window. As far as their software, they use CI/CD. We use the rapid workflow developments for that. Circus, carouseling, and puppeteering, which is engineered, again, through Meta, fucking Alphabet, and Microsoft. And the purpose of it all is data-driven performance, high quality and efficiency deliverance. A lot of this has roadblocks for us here at the Asset Productions Network. But thankfully we have Zaxxroth, which creates new software deploying innovative application programming interfaces. But that can be costly as well, around $1,200. And all you need is anyone needs is Android Studio. And this distills down to operational management. SMART provides every team with their training, which is sufficient enough to provide high-quality data analytics, Google Analytics, market trends, and utilizes, again, Asset Productions. Asset Productions is the in-studio team, wherein the Prodigy League is enhanced alignment experience. Zaxxroth in and of itself is a key design reflecting the current market sentiments, above all for creative solutions. You can't have a high-performance team without high-performance creative solutions. $325 is usually spent in a day for quantitative and qualitative data analytics products. KPI, KBI, whatever acronym you want to throw on it, it just allows inflow. That customer inflow creative solutions provides that improved player experience through Microsoft. They use large fucking scale databases through MySQL and Visual Studio Code. It is a high-risk environment, pretty much. High risk means indemnities. High risk means TOS, Terms of Service, Code of Conducts, Terms and Conditions. We identify this through Bauhaus, pretty much. Bauhaus is high demands, no profits. That is high skills. So this will lead to constant burnouts, stagnant markets, technical issues, delayed timelines, and pressure for deadlines. So what that means is if your entire esports team is not doing well in the roster leaderboards, there will be no scheduled release, guys. So you need to mitigate that. How do you mitigate it? You have to brainstorm with the community. You can't just brainstorm by yourself. If you have an engaging community who has a regular response time and delivery, you will be able to brainstorm through cross-training techniques. What does that mean? Continuous experimentation. If you're not experimenting with your team, there's going to be a burnout. It's gonna happen. Again, mitigated through KPI, SMARTs, and CICDs, experimental developmental workflows, continuously through different creative mediums. If you're not creative, you have to collaborate with a logical person. Logical persons and creative persons honor Sabbats, which means they take regular breaks, whether it's through ritual rejuvenation or if they have a particular religion. There's something that has to go on when you're collaborating with current industry leaders or successful competitors. FaZe Clan does not give a shit as long as they are getting paid, okay? Speaking of FaZe Clan, we're going to hop over to their fucking market as a perfect real-world example. This is a perfect real-world example of why you need creative workflows, asset managers, and financial literacy with your engineering teams and your creative teams. Look at this fucking ad here. Look at this dumbass ad that has popped up. For example, this ad is so cringe. They're literal scammers. Literal fucking scammers. But people buy anything. Look at this. Penny stock. FaZe Clan is a penny stock, guys. Private institutional investors. Delisted. Delisted last year. Whenever you go public, guys, you need to have a good team. If you do not have a good team, don't expect people to buy your shit. It's as simple as that. You can advertise all you fucking want on your scam networks. But once you see that negative number, FaZe Clan in the last quarter of 2022, quarter 3 to be exact, was down 219%. You know what? That's not acceptable in the markets, guys. That's not acceptable. And who's the clown behind it? Who's the clown? How do you lose $12.51 million? How do you do that, guys? You know, this is just unacceptable. The guy is Eric Anderson. Are you fucking kidding me? Eric Anderson. That's not even a real name. And a perfect example, again, they were digital natives. That means they were Zoomers. They're rooted in the gaming and internet culture, and they try to reimagine the traditional entertainment for next generations. That means they don't utilize shit. They had 108 employees, and they're delisted now. Founded in 2020. That's just unacceptable. All they do is provide premiums. They design merchandise, consumer products, and advertising sponsorship programs for national brands. Their only purpose is entertaining video blogs, branded content, gaming highlights, live streams, you know, that type of environment. They're just 12, they market to 12-year-olds. That's their problem. Esports professionals, gamers, you know, those guys, the memers. They've had multiple gaming divisions. Esports teams and gaming professionals means Apex Legends, Counter-Strike, COD, and fucking Fortnite, etc., etc. FaZe Clan is a joke, man. It's a joke. They only hire private investors, guys. That's the problem. They can make as many millions of dollars as they want, but it's pointless if they just blow it all on fucking hookers and booze. They have 5 million in the bank, you know. They are just jokes. They don't know what the fuck they're doing over there in their gamer house. They don't know what the fuck to do. They don't move their big toe, guys. If you don't move your big toe at least one time a fucking day, you're gonna burn out and you're gonna crash when the buyers start getting tired of your shit and they want some products delivered. So going back to data conduit. Okay, you need to mine, farm, grind for inspirational points. You don't need to spend 5,000, 6,000 fucking hours to get good at a fucking game, okay? As long as you're mitigating the technical issues, the constant burnouts, okay, the Bauhaus environment, which is a Chinese sweatshop. You're watching for if they are fucking not performing their duties. You have to schedule releases. You have to make sure the timeline is within that quarter sales analysis. They didn't honor the Sabbath. They didn't have ritualistic rejuvenations. Okay, they have one creative medium, and they never cross-train or regularly brainstorm with their community leaders. If you don't have a community leader in your area, you're fucked. It's going to get taken over by migrants. The migrants will do the mining, the migrants will do the farming, and the Asians will do the grinding. Not all of it will be migrants, but a lot of Asians will take over that fucking shit. Asia needs to just be nuked. That's Asia's problem. They get a smell of that fucking data, okay, and they want to steal that shit because they're monitoring everything. Now look at this data here. Look at this data that we got here at the Asset Productions Network. 6.9%. What does 6.9% represent, guys? 1,770,946. What does that number mean? Guys, what does it mean? CEO compensation. CEO fucking compensation. The players never get the players get played. Okay, the players get paid. The players get played, guys. The players get paid. The players get played, guys, in the circus, but the CEOs get paid. All right, let's say that 3 times fast, guys. The players get played, the CEOs get paid. The players get played, the CEOs get paid. The players get played, the CEOs get paid. 6.9%. To be exact, 6.9%. Where did we get this data? From the fucking colleges, okay? From the fucking colleges and the markets. That's unacceptable, guys. This is unacceptable. Animators don't get paid either. Have you seen the Chinese, Japanese animators? They don't get fucking paid, guys. What's their job, though? Just literal drawing and screen capping. That's their literal fucking shtick. Same thing with tattoo artists, guys. It's unacceptable in this fucking marketplace where FaZe Clan gets delisted, but they have billions of fucking assets to their name. Not billions. Let me correct myself. They have 20 fucking million in the bank, but they blow it all. They blew it in the fucking competitive markets. And the free markets don't fucking play. Let's look at this fucking data here. What else is next, guys? 38.7%. What does that mean? 9,906,111. Where's that number, guys? Application denials. How is it we are in a free market where CEOs get paid 6.9% of the time, but we're denying people 38.7% of the time? That's fucking disgusting. I'm disgusted by these fucking data points. All right, let's look at the 50.4% here. Look at this big ass sliver of the pie. 13,906,111. What does that mean? Financial aid denials. We just deny fucking 37% of the market, which is white males, guys. And they're trying to tell us that we don't discriminate against white males in their fucking mid-20s. We compose over half of the fucking market, 54.4% of the fucking market. 13 million financial aid denials to white fucking males, while the CEOs get paid 6.9% of the fucking time. That is disgusting. 2023, so you can't even say this is outdated data. Just wait till the numbers release for 2026, 2027, and fucking 2028, since they want to play the future game. They want to have their kids lined up for fucking success 15, 20, fucking 30 fucking years in their fucking private yachts. So let's go to the cold now. You know, we're gonna hold on the cold, actually. We're gonna hold on the cold. We're gonna go to fucking the PowerPoint now, because this disgusts me. These data points absolutely make me want to vomit, drink bleach, and die. So let's go to our slides here. DOE. What does DOE stand for? What does FAFSA stand for? Shit. That's what that stands for. Deny, delay, divide. That's their fucking purpose. So when you call their fucking number, every fucking number they provide is a scam number, because it'll directly get transferred to some Jajib Gupta in fucking India, who claims to be a claims agent. Okay, so they're a contact center, call center representative, and that's a way to stifle that fucking innovation we're here to talk about and deny claims automatically. It's the same fucking thing in that HR department where they got Karen just sitting at her fucking cubicle denying everything automatically. When you get it, when you call her, what's the phone call going to be like? She's not going to want to fucking answer your questions. She's going to discriminate extremely. She discriminates to a point where it's a crime against humanity, and she needs to lose her property. She needs to lose her fucking kids because she's a Karen, ruining people's lives, specifically white males in their fucking mid-20s. So what does this mean? She's a case manager. Why is she the fucking case manager? She needs to be a janitor. That's what the fuck Karen needs to be instead of a case manager. The case manager needs to be someone like me so they can handle cases. But what does she do? She mishandles cases. Why does she mishandle cases? Because she's Miss Karen, case manager at fucking FAFSA.com.government. Why the fuck did she get a job as a federal government agent? Because she went to fucking Ivy League Tech and got her degree from fucking Harvard. All she did was blow her way to the fucking top. She's a methodologist of delaying advancements. She's delaying advancements on purpose because she believes the Japanese saying of that a big ship takes a long time to fucking turn over. Bitch, that's not a good anecdote for this case when you're denying everything automatically and you won't give a jab to the middle America, half of which the market consists of mid-20-year-olds, white men like me. You're the fucking reason there's crimes against humanity going on when you have a case manager position just because you got a degree from fucking Stanford, MIT, and you think you know how to code when the fuck you don't. You delay advancements in technology, you stifle innovation, and you deny claims automatically to everyone. And that's why FaZe is fucking delisted right now. They've been in the market for 2 years. They lasted 2 to 3 years in the fucking free markets. And it's people like Karen who mishandle Karen cases. It's all a big content advertisement because she wants people like me to mass consume. We're just here to mass consume her bullshit advertisements, flaunting her money, her fucking two-car garage, scheming strategically in every single department. So again, the workflow is contact Jajib Gupta and then ask for the manager who will be a mishandle Karen so she can shill her fucking content, strategically delaying and denying each claim and each advancement, innovation, inspiration point in her department strategically. Let's look at the data points now for each fucking quarter last year. So last year, representing marketing departments, they took away nearly millions of dollars, guys. Each app developed, each aggressive monetization tactic, each AI used as a weapon against people like in the Asset Productions Network, which just proves our point because it's fucking happened if you've been paying attention to the web series. AI is now used as a weapon for data harvesting, data replacing job markets, AI policy advertisers manipulating terms of service to suit their needs. Their needs, guys. That's why 6.9% of them manipulate each customer while they violate consumer rights. Quarter one. How much money do they make in fucking quarter one? 4.5 fucking thousand. Over $400,000. Quarter two, over $500,000. Quarter three. When you boycott something, they don't make money though. When you don't consume, they don't make money. So they only made over $3.1 thousand. Quarter four though, mass consuming because that's near the end of the month, Christmas time. They make over 500,000 fucking dollars in their fucking bank accounts. Again, we don't have Ivy League math degrees, but you can get the point of how much a month that fucking is. The growth strategy they use is they claim they're just private citizens. They're there to privately sell, but they have private investment properties. They fly on private fucking jets 300 times a fucking year, and they go on private yachts to have their sex trafficking parties while they fucking float over there. They ship over there in their private islands in fucking China, Taiwan, and fucking Japan. As you can see in this pictures here, you can see exactly how they fucking do it. They're in a fucking business dinner. They have their little fancy business dinners. There's Tyrone chilling in his mother's basement and his fucking Acer laptop Intel i3 graphics cards. And look at there's Xi Jinping looking at his fucking laptop without his fucking prior consent or permission. But they will analyze his fucking data. Bet she feels good getting that ad revenue for fucking apps pre-installed on his pre-approved, pre-certified software. And there's the fucking factory warehouse setting. There's Tyrone, there's Xing Shi Wei Xing, and there's Karen. And they're going to go in the break room. They're going to fist bump because they're little cool kids. And there's someone like me. Hey, can I take your picture? I'll pay you $1. Sure, man. There's his fucking smart card. And there's Xi Jinping and fucking Taiwan. All right, there's us, guys. There's where we hope we can get that creative solutions implemented in our business suites too. But who fucking knows how that will fucking go? And again, the data points, you just have to look at, again, the review the data points, review the statistical analysis and the applications, and this goes into fucking marketing and code. So let's hop on over to the fucking code now. Google Cloud Native. Why don't we live stream? Because they wanna record my fucking camera. but they won't record other people's cameras. It's amazing. How come someone else can make money by not showing their face on camera, but I have to show my fucking face on camera? That's unacceptable. So the data conduit project has led us to ESLint. What is ESLint? ESLint is the internet, pretty much. ESLint is the fucking internet in a nutshell. And why is it the internet? Hold on, there's a fucking ad I'm gonna show you guys here. Show them the ad, Karen. Yeah, show them the ad. Skipped. Why? Because all she does is think that the fucking Zoom TikTok format makes money. It fucking sure as hell does make money, but for we're here to come to America for free. We come to America for free, guys. America is free, right? We get free house in America if we work for free. Okay, again, why is ESLint the internet? Why? Because they control the green coding. What did Trump say in his fucking inauguration speech, guys? What did he fucking say? He said he's stopping the Green New Deal. What is the Green New Deal? It's fucking ESLint and all the technology fucking products like FaZe Clan going out spending millions of fucking dollars on marketing and fucking green coding. Every code snippet in JavaScript, like my professor says, she created Codio.com, but what the fuck is Codio? All the fuck she did is use AI to code ESLint. That's what the fuck it is. Just because you use ESLint, you think you have a fucking say in how the internet works? No, bitch. This is still net neutrality, whether you like it or fucking not. I don't care what that fucking Pajit guy said on his fucking soapbox at fucking Congress. We're here to stop fucking people like him, ping ching pishing, from disbarring fucking net neutrality, guys. ESLint, again, that's why. ESLint is the fucking internet. Everything uses fucking ESLint. Here's their fucking database, guys. ESLint, this is all it fucking uses. Acorn, human effort file systems, humans who code, which is fucking lie. It's all AI. So let's go to debugging. What the fuck is in the debugger? Coverages, packages, and that's all they fucking use. Apps. That's how they fucking make your fucking apps. It's a Bauhaus environment. They mass produce apps and then put fucking aggressive microtransactions in that shit. That's why the world needs data conduit now more than ever, because the aggressive microtransactions are gonna fucking end. And it's all through Webpack. All they use is fucking Webpack. And they constantly try to fucking stop this shit. Every fucking year. It's like this every fucking year. That's why they're creating another fucking pandemic, so they can have an excuse to go out. Everybody just go the fuck back online again while we make millions of dollars. Because they're losing they lose money every time you go the fuck outside. Let's see here. Let's go to, where is it? Aggressive monetization. Kit. Here it is. Android Studio. They use Kotlin. They import your fucking phone device. They import the code on your phone device. They import your packages, graphics, everything. They just mass import it. And then they put a POS system in it. Something like Django or Grubber. If you're a restaurant, you'll use Grubber. If you're a tech fucking guru, you'll use Braintree. All of it uses Saudi Arabia crypto hashing algorithms and fucking Chinese imports, plastics, and Indian fucking call centers. So let's hop on over to the actual Android Studio here. They might have, they can close my developer account, but they're not going to close my fucking laptop, bitch. So as you can see, everything's up to date. However, they have a problem with my manifests. They want to deprecate my manifests as much as they can because they want my fucking wallet. Let's look at this error here. What's this error, guys? This, even though it's up to date, it cannot be smaller than version 19 because we've coded it to be supercomputing at the Google Android Studio Material.com. They want more fucking money, as much money as they fucking can get. Why? Why is that is? Let's hop over to the fucking markets and see what the hell's going on. They can't even connect to my fucking phone because they want some money first. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Bitcoin is down 1.02%. Isn't that some shit? I wonder why. And let's look at what's going on with fucking markets right now. Pharmaceuticals, huh? Apple. Yep. Nvidia. What's going on with Nvidia right now? Down 16.59%. Wow, it actually looks viable right now, guys. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. The application is failing because we cannot process your manifest, dude. We can't merge your manifest because we have the latest versions and you do not. All right, let's see. Let's run the stack trace, guys. We're gonna run the stack trace. Instantiating tasks. Let's run this test here, guys. See why the fuck. All right, let's see here. Same fucking error. Same fucking error, guys. Why is it doing this, guys? It can't be because of the Asians, guys, that I'm getting all these errors. I can't develop a fucking application because they want your ass to run it on a fucking supercomputer. Are you fucking kidding me? You can't just use a laptop, or you can't just be American. You can't be a white male. You gotta be Xing Xing Huai Xing Xing Jajib Gupta and Rahid. Your name's gotta be Rahid. Meanwhile, VS Code. Why the fuck does VS Code have so many fucking issues? I wonder why it's having so many issues, guys. Wonder why. All right, we're just gonna go back to Python, going back to SDK, going back to APK. All right, got to create this new file, guys, because let's see, Asian software. That's appropriate. Going to use camel case Asian software dot. It's going to be .kit. Yep. .kit here. Just gonna copy and paste the stack trace because they just this is all they do with every fucking software. This is exactly what happened with JobStack, and why people like me can't find a fucking job because they'll do this shit and the job tasks. Why do they do this in the job tasks? Well, because they expect you to click whatever link they fucking code on the fucking application. So just imagine this. Imagine you download an app, okay? You download an app like like Webull. You see, this is all the consumer sees in the front end. The consumer sees, yes, I can see, I'm watching the NVIDIA ticker. Q4, it's up, let's see, 19.52%. They've made $19.31 billion quarter three this year. And this is all you see. But this is why they're doing this shit, because they're just monitoring people who actually buy it into the subscription package bundle kits. But every user on here is either a bot, like Gerald Strink here. Let's take a look at Gerald Strink's profile. It looks like he could be a bot. He's only made 3 posts. Looks like he's new. He could be new. And it's the same thing with games. It's all run on a fucking database server that they fucking create with what? Android Studio. Android freaking Studio. This is what the hell I see, because I didn't buy into whatever the hell they want me to buy into, or have the latest version of this or that and the third. So this is why we're just debuggers at this point. All we can do is just debug this stack traces and see. It's just so amazing. This is what they see, though. They're able to see the API keys. We're not allowed to see the API keys, though. How do you get an API key? You have to develop an app. How do you develop an app? You have to have the latest version of the latest NVIDIA graphics NGD cards, which is about $50 to $60 a month with your $2,300 computer. This project is known as the Data Conduit, right? So Data Conduit project. And this is our application debugging software known as ProCommoner. We're pro-commoners, guys. They're not pro-commoners, guys. They're pro-rich person. They're not pro-commoners. That's why they copyright everything. Copyright, patent, registered trademark, guys. Alrighty here. So the next step of this, the last thing we're going to do and show the audience here why it failed. Because it wants the latest version 19. And we're going to use AI now as a weapon against them. Let's see how we can fix this, Gemini. How do you suppose we fix this, Gemini? Where is it? Please pull up. There we go. It's not working. Yes, we know it's not working. Yep, we broke Gemini, guys. Alrighty, I'm done talking about it.